Hi guys, good morning. Isang magandang raining morning na naman tayo ngayon. So, welcome to Tiger Garage. I'm Jericho. So, ngayon, may pumasok naman tayong client. Ito naman, facelift project. So, started from 2021 F-150. So, as you can see, actually, maangas na yung itsura niya. Super angas na actually, pero nakulangan pa si client. Kasi, ang main reason niya is, number one, ilaw natin dito is color yellow. Tapos yung daytime running lights natin ng headlight is color white. So, parang nakakukulangan siya. Sabi, gusto ko yellow yan lahat. So, gusto niya yung yellow na headlights. And then, after mga meetings namin, at the end, ang decision ng client natin is to just facelift yung F-150 natin to a real F-150 2023 Raptor look. So, papalitan natin yung hood, papalitan natin yung grille, papalitan natin yung headlights, yung bumper, yung sidings, gulong, retain as is, tapos yung fender sa likod, yung taillights. So, basically, everything maliban lang sa pinto at saka sa side mirrors yung may iwan. Yung iba, tatanggalin namin, papalitan namin ng bago into the newest F-150 Raptor. So I hope you guys are excited. Magsisimula na tayo. Join us in the process. And once again, wait till you see. Tara! Hi guys! Welcome back to Tiger Garage. So, this is 2 weeks later na. So, this car started from a F-150 Lariat, and then along the way of the car's life, it has been semi-facelifted to a Raptor version, pero kulang kasi kung nakikita nyo yung mga picture dati, nakalabas yung gulong kasi hindi siya naka-wide body kit. So, right now, we just finished our facelift. So, naka-facelift na yung buong car. Naka fully wrap also with our very own Tiger film, black gloss PPF. So it's not a vinyl wrap, it's actually a PPF wrap. Kaya mas makintab siya kaysa sa normal vinyl wraps. So ano mga nagawa natin? Start tayo sa front. So as you can see our front, lahat yan pinalitan. We changed the hood, we changed the grille, we changed the bumper, we changed the side fenders. So, headlights, kasama din headlights. So, almost everything yan, napalitan na natin lahat. Pakita lang natin yung headlights natin. So, ayan, our headlights has a daytime running function and also have a start-up sequence. Pag binuksan mo, magsi-sequence siya. And then, upon client's request, kasi lagi siya nag-off-road, in-install lang din natin ng LED bar sa loob ng grille. So, the top one is yellow. The top one is white. The lower one is yellow. And then, pwede mo just on-off with the remote and on-off with the switch inside. Yan yung request ni client. So, mayroon tayong fog lights, headlights, everything sa harap, ginawa natin ng bago. Alright, let's go to the side. So before we go to anything else, I would like to point out, this is a wide body kit na. Talagang same siya sa 2020 F-150 Raptor. So naka wide body kit. Makikita niyo dito, super lapad ang wide body kit natin. And then meron din tayo side lights. Meron din, nilipat natin din mga sensors ng stock car. Kaya medyo color silver kasi The stock car is color silver. Alright, so down the sides, we also converted the antenna. This is the stock antenna, nilagay namin sa dati niyang pwesto. We also made this. This is the Raptor versions of the side step, kaya iba na itsura niya. Mga hindi natin nagalaw sa side is actually itong apat ng pinto and the side mirror. So if we go down further, itong side fenders, in-install din namin to ng bago. Kaya naka wide body na rin siya, pantay na rin siya sa mugs. Dati kasi like 1/3 of the gulong nasa labas siya ng fender. Metalsic, tsaka like parang hindi siya maganda masyado tignan. So at least now, pantay na lahat. Wala na tayong problem na masyado malabas yung kulong. So maganda yung fitment niya ngayon. So if we go further down the back, we installed a smoke taillights. Tapos we installed also a LED bar para pagdating sa gabi, more lighting sa likod. Pag binuksan nyo, makikita nyo, nagla-light up din yung likod. So kasama yan sa signal lights, brake light, and then park light, sasama yan lahat. So ano pa mga nagawa natin sa F-150 natin? So upon client's request, kasi meron siyang kinakabit dito na Starlink para lagi may wifi yung kanyang car. Dati kasi nakatali lang dito with a something with a board na may basta dumudulas everywhere. So tinanggal na namin yan. We made him a custom-made bracket para habang nagda-drive siya, kung kailangan niya ng internet, he can just install this Starlink into our custom-made bracket, and then hindi na siya magalaw and maganda siya tignan. So you can use this while parked, and you can also use this while you're at move. Tapos na natin yung labas. Ngayon naman sa loob, anong mga nagawa natin sa loob? Number one, dati kasi nakalagay dito yung Starlink niya, and then maraming wiring nakatapon. So nilinis namin yon. So tinago namin lahat ng wiring. So maiiwan na lang is yung saksakan ng Starlink. And then the Starlink modem itself, nirap namin ng itim. And then tinago namin sa ilalim ng front passenger seat. Kaya pag nandito ka yun, you can only see the wire but you don't see the modem na mismo. So hindi siya masakit sa mata. Or wala nang magulo na wiring nandiyan. And then we also tint this whole car with our very own Tiger Film magnet transputer tint. So that is it, folks. Yan yung mga ginawa namin sa F-150 natin. So if you're interested, just message us. So thank you for watching. Welcome to Tiger Garage and see you next time. Goodbye.
Stay. 1, 2